about the instant coffee. Using the Yetis every day, Joe, if you're watching.
I buy more time. The sun has never been so cheap. With no more strife. Where canned laughter is for keeps. And I wanna know what it feels like to touch the grass again. What do they see right through me all the time? Whoa, yeah.
We're here at Ocean Park Aquarium, Shark Bay, Western Australia, because we're suckers for an aquarium, aren't we?
Yeah, it's a good aquarium.
It's a good aquarium.
Like it, you know, to save them, they're looking after the animals.
Yeah. Ripper spot. Huh?
Conservation.
Conversation.
Yeah.
Ripper.
Good conversations today.
Yeah. Ripper spot for an aquarium. Have a look at this. That's it there. Look at that. It's wicked.
Right through me all the time.
Well, that was definitely worth it. Good little tour. Very good conversations in there. Don't know what we're doing now. Lunch, nearly. Bobo. Eagle Bluff. We've seen Red Bluff. Now we're at Eagle Bluff. Eagle's Bluff. I don't know if it's S. Eagle. Singular.
One eagle.
Just one of them.
I got no car and I got no house, but I kept the garden clean. There's a baby boomer across the street and it won't stop staring at me. Vacation life, forever is strike. We'll leave the family. I just wanna be free.
Didn't see you then. Woke up for a hankering for a pub feed. So we're at the Shark Bay Hotel. Got some fresh fish. Sam's got a snitty. Got a skewy. I'll smash this down and hopefully go for a little swim. I don't know about you, but that scratched my pub feed itch. What about you?
Yeah, it did.
Bloody. What?
It was good.
It was good. Little Lagoon for a little swim. Nice little swim in the Little Lagoon. Little bit cold. Little bit cold? Little bit cold. Still good. Got under. Got our hair wet. Now we're gonna head into Denham one last time. Drop into IGA and get some more water and something for dinner and stuff. And then we'll truck on to Monkey Maya for the night. Ew. Made it to Monkey Maya. Woo! Monkey Maya. Sam's outdone herself again. Swear the spots just keep getting better and better. This is us for the night. Can't complain about that. Dolphins just out there somewhere. Oh yeah. There, sort of. A little play.
Everything you do is neat. Love to know how, baby, I could get a chance just to look in your eyes, maybe I could be your man. How to things to I don't understand how you do that things do with your heart. I'll never know. You're a rose pink Cadillac, and I love the way you roll. Sink your wild tiger teeth